Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this rainbow liner using my Glisten Cosmetics liners. This is just something a little crazy that I've wanted to do for a while, and what better time to try out some rainbow liner than during Pride Month. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this little rainbow eyeliner look, then just keep watching this video. So starting with the red liner, which is called Fire, I'm going to be taking my Glisten Cosmetics brush. This is the number 2 brush. I would like to say, I'm not the best at this, but I'm trying. I went really high up because I want to make room for, the rest of the rainbow. So yeah, don't mind that it looks a little crazy. It's like a trust the process sort of thing. Then I'm taking Peach Melba, which I'm going to be taking this shade as like an orange. Now I'm taking Banana Split. I'm going to take the darker yellow. So with these liners, you just add like a little bit of water and then you mix it around and put it on your eye. Then taking Split Peas, which is the green. Elsa has a lot to say down there on the floor. I wish my camera would focus on my face and not the palette that I'm holding. Then going into Slushy, taking the darker blue. So far so good. We just have one more color to add, and then I think I am actually going to add little cloud, maybe a little cloud right here, and then fix the tail. Elsa! Oh, I have such shaky hands. I'm taking Grapevine now. I feel like other people do the rainbow look and it looks really thin and cute, and here I am with these thick lines. I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and then we're gonna add a cute little cloud. Now taking Coke Float, which is the black and white split one, and I'm also taking a nail dotting tool that I've washed off. Oh my god, that's cute. I've seen a lot of eye looks like this on Instagram, and I just wanted to really try it out. So that eyeliner is done. I'm going to go do it on the other eye and then finish up my makeup, and I'll be back to tell you guys more about Glisten Cosmetics because I love their eyeliners. Alright, I'm back and my eyeliner is done. What do we think? Alright, so that was my little rainbow eye look tutorial. I know I'm not the best at doing the wet liners, but I try. You guys should definitely check out Glisten Cosmetics. I do have an affiliate code with them. If you guys do place an order, you could use that code Emma10 to save 10% off your order. They're actually currently selling a Pride eyeliner. It's like the split liners, but it has 5 colors. It has the rainbow. It's called the Pride liner. If you're buying that, don't use my code because all of the proceeds are going towards LGBTQ plus charities. So if you guys are buying that eyeliner, don't use my code. Spend more money on it so that the charities get more money. I'm so happy with this cute little eyeliner look. I love using these eyeliners. I haven't used them in a while, but they're literally my favorite thing on the planet. They are so fun. And I do have a couple more shades. I have the shade Bubblegum, which is the mint green, and then I have Strawberry Cheesecake, which is the pink split liner. So these are my other ones. Anyway, enough about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was a bit of fun. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!